In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make one cell change based on another in Google Sheets. This is a fantastic feature to know, whether you're looking to track data changes, highlight important information dynamically, or simply want to automate part of your spreadsheet tasks. Let's dive right in and make this process straightforward and simple. First things first, open up Google Sheets. You can do this by heading over to your browser and accessing either a new or an existing sheet you wish to work on. Once in, identify the items or values you want to monitor. Essentially, the set of data where if a change occurs, it triggers a change elsewhere. For simplicity, let's say you're managing an inventory and you want a warning or a highlight when stock levels fall below a certain number. Now direct your attention to the top menu. Click on the cell or cells you wish to adjust based on another cell's condition. Once selected, navigate to the Format menu at the top of the Google Sheets interface and click on it. In the drop-down menu, you will see a range of options. Look for and select Conditional Formatting. This is where the magic begins. Once you select conditional formatting, a new menu will appear on the right-hand side. Look for the section that says Format Cells If, and choose the Custom Formula Is option. This is where you will input a formula that sets the criteria for your cell changes. A common example might look something like each cell's A1, 10, where A1 is the cell you are watching, and 10 is the condition you're setting. If the value in cell A1 is less than 10, your formatting will kick in. After entering your custom formula, you can decide how the cell should change. You might want to apply a background color, bold the text, or even change the text color. These options can be found near the bottom of the conditional formatting pane. Take some time to explore and adjust so the changes are both noticeable and useful for your needs. Once you have everything set up, it's important to save your new rule. Simply click on the Done button to finalize your changes. Now, anytime your specified condition is met in the watched cell, the corresponding cell or cells will change accordingly. You can always see and adjust your rules by revisiting the conditional formatting menu if needed. This feature is incredibly powerful for organizing and visualizing your data effectively in Google Sheets. It's perfect for creating dynamic reports or facilitating better data-driven decisions. With just a few clicks, you have set up a live and responsive spreadsheet. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and that it opens up new possibilities in your daily work with Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you